Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Cold Blue Cam, and the title of it is how 3 teens fell into a huge trap while committing fraud. Dang, that's crazy. Let's get into it, y'all.
2023, deputies with the Martin County Sheriff's Office were informed about the presence of a black BMW in Hobe Sound, Florida. The BMW was believed to be linked to incidents involving vehicle thefts and burglaries that took place in a nearby county. Deputies had spotted it traveling on the highway and observed it driving recklessly before it departed from a Walmart shortly after. The Sheriff's Office Aviation Unit was then deployed and maintained continuous visual contact with the vehicle, with the occupants remaining completely unaware that they were being monitored from above the whole time.
We've got it, signal 12, approaching goldenrod, number 1 lane. Switched over number 2 lane. It's in between a silver truck, white SUV. Alright, be in the turn lane in front of target. Driving pretty, signal 12, just went through the turn light, through the green light, and cut back to the number 2 lane, still southbound. Bear with me on the street names, I'm having to stay zoomed in on him. I don't want to lose him with how reckless he's driving.
If he happens to pull over into another store and gets out of the vehicle, we'll try to make contact with occupants as they're outside of the vehicle.
Anyone ahead?
I'm not ahead, but I'm 10 cars back.
If we can get close enough in position to light him up, I'm trying to get road patrol units on the 95 on-ramp. We're only going to try to take him if he goes west on Bridge Road, and we'll just light him up. If he takes off, let him take off, and the arrow will take over.
Making a right-hand turn southbound on Commerce.
The aviation unit soon advised the suspect vehicle had pulled into another Walmart, where they observed 2 passengers being dropped off at the entrance.
I'd be turning into Walmart.
If anyone's close, let's make contact when they get out.
Alright, they stopped in front of the entrance. We lost eye momentarily because of the building and possibly dropped off their passenger. Going to be backing into a handicapped spot.
We're going to wait for the passenger to reoccupy the cars.
No visual of the passenger, correct?
I'm left to assume they dropped somebody off. They stopped momentarily in front of the grocery entrance. We're in position now. We'll be able to advise if the passenger approaches the car.
Who else we got close to his parking lot? I'm pulling in shortly. 631, set up.
And we're going to keep eyes on it. We're going to go ahead and wait till the passenger gets back, and we'll, when we get to a good area where we can do an attempt to 1050 and then let air take over. 54, can you do a drive-by, see if it's still occupied again?
Yeah, it was occupied by the driver. I just drove by it a second ago.
Detectives in plain clothes entered the Walmart and visually identified the passengers. 17-year-old Jamarcus Reed and 19-year-old Javaris Whitehead were observed at the self-checkout register attempting to purchase gift cards using several credit cards, indicating the potential use of stolen credit cards for the purchases. Eventually, Jamarcus left with a bag filled with newly purchased gift cards, while Javaris remained inside, still using the credit cards. As he waited in the car with the driver, later identified as 17-year-old Dana Williams, deputies quickly converged on the vehicle.
We got eyes on 2 black males should be coming out. Lots of gift cards just purchased. Black hoodies, black pants, all black.
He's walking towards the target vehicle. Black male, black hoodie, white writing, black pants, approaching the passenger side of the vehicle now. Still stationary.
Possibly waiting on a third. They're trying a bunch of different credit cards right now. Hey, if we can get takedown vehicles, let's go ahead and move on those cars now. If you're going to make contact, make good contact so you can't wiggle out of there.
However, both males immediately fled on foot at the first sight of law enforcement.
Male on foot, southbound through the parking lot.
Get on the ground! Sheriff's on! Get on the ground now! Sheriff's office! Sheriff's office! Get on the ground now! You're gonna get dog bit! You're gonna get dog bit!
And this is the part that I don't be getting. This is the part that I don't get. You're caught. Just give it up. You're not gonna outrun the cops and all that. Like, come on. Like, it's done. They got too many eyes on you. It's a wrap. And especially once they get that chopper on you, yeah, you cooked.
We gotta get out! Get on the ground now! One going on cover. Give me your hands! Give me your hands now! Give me your hands! Give me your hands! Give me your fucking hands! I'm letting the dog go! I'm letting the dog go! Get out now! Go! Give me your hands. You got any weapons on you? Give me your fucking hands! Right here! Yep. You got my hand! Go, 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 go! You got my hand! Don't fucking move!
We got one. Where's the other one at?
Yeah, I do. Come on. You alright, brother? Yeah. Let's keep moving for 1 second. We're good. Hang on, buddy. Hang on, buddy. Let go. What'd you throw? What'd you throw? I didn't throw nothing. Grab my food. Stand up now. Let's go.
You can grab my phone?
Yeah, we got you. All right, roll to me, brother. Pull your knees up to your chest. Stand up.
You can grab my phone?
Yeah, we'll get you. Black male, black hoodie, 10-15. Yeah, hang on. We'll help you out, buddy. Don't reach for anything. Anything in your pockets. Nothing at all. I gotta get my truck. Yeah, get your truck, man. You're good. I got him. What's your name, man? Damon. You probably heard the siren. Where are you from, bro? How old are you? 17. No weapons, nothing hidden on you at all? I'm gonna walk over that white truck, all right? Hey, we got any outstanding? Yeah, one. Where's the red guy? Right there, I got him. Good. One left. What is he wearing? What's the third one? You're only gonna help yourself out. What's the third one wearing? What's the other one look like?
I haven't seen him. Tan pants, I believe. Second story.
You have red hoodie and you. Where's the third one? What's the third one wearing? What's the third one wearing? Didn't want to get dog bit, did you? Is that why you stopped? Huh? I don't know. What's the third one wearing?
You get it's a blue iPhone in the car.
Yeah, we'll get there, man. We'll get there. I'm gonna get your info in a minute here. Just make sure you give me a good name and all that, all right? You got any warrants, anything like that going on? No? Probation? What are you on probation for? Flannel. Okay. What's the third one wearing?
Tan pants.
Get that out?
According to the photo.
Javarez.
You on probation for fleeing and eluding? It didn't work the first time. You think it's gonna work the second time? These dudes is stupid, bro.
The third male who remained inside Walmart was subsequently apprehended near the self-checkout registers.
Third one's 10-15, 10-4. 10-4, so that's 3 10-15s. You guys okay?
I was still having my lunch. I saw you guys chasing and then it got scary.
You guys got everyone?
Yeah, we got all three.
Awesome. Did they try to run or no?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
They try to wiggle out of the pinch and then...
Did they?
Yeah, they...
You got ID on you or no? What's your name, man?
Daniel Williams.
Say again?
Daniel Williams.
How you spell that? Why are you tensing up?
Bro, cause I ain't got no, you steady holding me like that. Come on, bro.
How do I know you don't have anything on you?
Come on, man. You done checked me for 10 minutes straight.
Huh?
You checked me for 10 minutes straight.
I haven't even been here for 10 minutes. Sit on the seat. Sit on the tailgate. Yeah, I'll pick up, bro. We're at in Broward.
Hey! Your truck!
Yes, sir. Yeah, go ahead. You need a hand with something, sir? You need a hand with something?
This baby parked down here on the sidewalk. Don't come over here to me.
I'm not trying to give you a hard time, sir. I'm just letting you know we had a big felony incident right now. So that's why I'm parked here, okay? I'm moving it for you. All you gotta do is ask, all right?
I gotta get out.
I would suggest, do you have business at Walmart? Okay. Do you have any ID on you? Do you have any ID on you? What's your first name? What's your last name? So, listen, you already have a couple charges on you, okay? Either we fingerprint you and figure out who you are, or you're not gonna tell me your name and you're gonna catch another charge. Okay?
Jamarcus Root.
What's your first name?
Jamarcus.
Jamarcus.
You watching him?
Yep. Got him.
What's up, man? Just do me a favor, lean against the car.
Backwards or forward?
Backwards. Just trying not to scratch you too much.
Oh my God. You get my phone out that truck?
Which truck?
The truck that we was in.
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get it.
What's your last name?
What's your name?
Javarez right here.
Javar, sorry. You can have a seat right here. Actually, let's move over here. I'm my bad here. I'll help you out. You good? Let's move right here. You ain't gonna run from me or anything, right?
Huh?
You ain't gonna run from me, right?
No.
See, I'm already tired.
Too much of y'all.
There's not enough of us, man.
Pleasant surprise. Yeah, what's up, man?
Hey, what's a good phone number for you? What's your guardian's first name and last name? Your mom, dad, Jamarcus. What's your mom or dad's first and last name? Hey, look up. What's your first name?
Javarez right here.
Spell your first name.
Yo.
I think
Look straight.
Look up. How old are you?
19.
Hey, look up at me. Look up.
You gotta take a picture of me?
Yes. Look up, guys. Look up. Look up.
Thank you. It's not that hard.
I didn't have any credit anymore. I had no idea where it was.
Smile.
Huh?
Who called me?
Oh, you got caught though.
Pat test? Pat test?
How old are you, man?
17.
17. Look up at me.
Even if you can't read that, man. He said he's on probation out of Broward for fleeing wood.
Come on. Just sit in between them. Don't talk to anyone either. Good job. Thanks, guys.
Are you gonna put the stuff on duty?
What's your guardian's name? And who is she or he? Simple question.
What's your mom's name?
Upon searching their vehicle, deputies discovered numerous stolen items, including wallets, debit and credit cards, and 19 $100 Visa gift cards purchased fraudulently.
Hey, what's in here? Anything good?
I got a gift card, a Wells Fargo debit card belonging to a. There's a brown wallet on the driver's seat, and there's a phone back here.
I mean, I don't care. I feel like we don't have to. I'm not going to search one like this, so we're good. So he was in here.
That's the card he was using at register 51.
There was only one card.
No, he was putting in multiple credits. They both were. I was standing at the candy.
Who
watching
is,
So red shirt, he's your driver. He's the one we saw pulling out of the Walmart PSL. This one here was at register 51.
Okay.
51 was seated here. This is the card.
So two black hoodies, the ones that got out and used them. Red hoodies stayed in the car.
Yes, so he's the one I saw when he walked back to the car. He came here. I saw the door open, but I didn't see him get in. So I don't know if he got in back. But that's the card he was using. So I walked. They were at the register and I went like this.
They have some good overhead cameras.
They what?
They have good overhead cameras.
Yeah.
So it looks like you have like a Louis Vuitton bag in the back.
Pinch themselves in pretty good here.
They try to back up.
Yeah.
Whoops. We got some. This lady who's been recording us for a while.
Gotcha.
So thanks. We got a body cam too. We want to get a copy.
Lifesaver. He was trying.
That would have been rowdy.
Oh, it would have been
Going backwards. He would have, I mean,
I don't think he would.
I don't know if he would have got through these bushes.
No.
You got ants? No. You can move over if you want, man.
No, I'm good.
Yeah, you got ants. Yeah, all right there. Scoot over, man. I'm not trying to have your hands swallow up.
Taking off reprint?
Yeah. You gonna bring them on here? Yeah, he said I'm taking all three.
Stand up. Let me make sure you ain't got ants on your hands. Y'all good? You ain't feeling no swelling, nothing?
I'm good.
All right. Hey, we're putting all three in? Yeah, all three in the one car.
You did, or are you going to do it again?
Yeah, check them. We got to do it. You said your phone's in the car.
I got two.
You got two phones?
Hey, while you guys are transporting, can you just make sure that your body cam is in a position where you can pick up conversation with that?
Okay.
Spread your leg a little bit.
Look at me. Turn around and look at me. Face me and look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Simple instruction. There you go.
How old are you?
I'm not 18.
Is he going to CID?
Yeah. They're all going to see it.
Okay.
Oh, okay. And what's your name again?
Javar's right here.
Javar, sorry. Have a seat.
You got the evidence back? No, put their phone. What's your name so I can mark your property?
You got my phone? You can put my phone in my bag.
Okay. What's your first name?
Dana. D-A-N-A.
D-A-N-A?
You can get my other phone out the car.
We're gonna get it. Don't worry.
That's my bag.
Huh?
That's my bag.
Yep, we know.
I seen it. You see him? Him with the gray. I think him with the gray shirt got one of my.
What's the name?
Hey, bro, big bro over there got my phone. It's a blue phone. Can you ask them?
Who wants the phone?
Dana.
And Javar's whitehead got it. It's another phone in the car.
All right, Javaris and Dana.
Can you get all the phones and show us, and you put it in the back for us?
Hey, Chandler, you guys got phones in there too?
We need all three phones.
There should be 3 phones?
Yeah, 3 phones. It should be 4. You got 2.
Did you guys find
it should be 4 phones.
4 phones?
I told you I'm gonna go look for it, right?
I'm just making sure.
Y'all got my phone?
I'm just making sure it's 4 phones.
Y'all got my phone? It's 4 phones?
Yeah.
It's a blue one.
It's a blue one.
Your blue one?
Blue one for Dana. It's a blue one, and then it's a blue and white, and then it's a pink case, and then it's a black one.
Blue and
So
white.
it's 3 people but 4 phones?
Yeah, we got all.
You got all 4?
Okay.
We're keeping
All right, there you go.
All right. Then I seen another brown truck. Then I heard the helicopter.
They said, yeah, we got all 4. We keeping them. Y'all keeping them. Oh yeah, boy. But yo, they smart because they about to get everything, you know, on the video, on the cam right now, what they talking about. Let them talk and incriminate themselves. This is smart.
The last one, that's what I thought that was coming from. As soon as I hopped out of the car, I bust my ass because I think he finna run me over. Hopped out the car, I bust my ass. I felt like right by him too. Get on the ground, Sheriff! Get on the ground! He got up, he chased my ass. I said, get on the ground! I go, oh shit. I told you, bro, white shit was going through, cuz. I looked back 3 times, bro. I felt my shit fell 3 times.
Look, so then the lady who in the all brown, she jacked me up. She like, thanks for not running. When I came back to the car, I see a helicopter just,
and then all just them the same truck that chased us last time. But that shit crazy. But they ain't get up with us.
As a result, Dana, Jamarcus, and Javares were each charged with felony counts of burglary, possession of stolen credit debit cards ×6, fraudulent use of credit cards, and criminal use of personal identification. According to online records, Javares entered a plea of no contest and was ultimately sentenced to 67 days in jail with 2 years of community supervision. Because Dana and Jamarcus are both 17 years old, there are no recent court records accessible for their case.
Parents, y'all gotta get a hold of y'all kids, man, because this is absolutely ridiculous, man. These kids is out of control nowadays.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.